A man and a woman had been searching for a place where they could live peacefully, far away from the noise, pollution, and busy life of the city. They both loved adventure and exploring new places. One day, they reached deep inside a dense forest. The forest was very old, filled with tall trees, greenery everywhere, and the sounds of birds echoing around them. As they walked, they suddenly noticed a huge old rusty airplane. The plane was half buried in the ground, covered with bushes, vines, and wild herbs growing all over it. It looked like the airplane had been lying there for many years. Both of them were surprised and wondered how such a large aircraft had ended up in the middle of the forest. The man said, "This place is strange, but if we repair it, maybe we can make it suitable for living." The woman smiled and replied, "Why don't we give it a new life?" First, they carefully inspected the airplane. When they went inside, they saw rust, broken parts, and dust everywhere. In some places, tree roots had grown into the structure. They realized the work would be difficult, but neither of them gave up. The next day, they started cleaning. The man used tools and machines to cut the wild herbs and bushes around the airplane. The woman began sorting and removing old damaged materials from inside. They worked all day and rested near a fire at night. For many weeks, they continued working hard. Slowly, the original shape of the airplane became visible again. The rusty parts were cleaned, broken sections were repaired, and the inside started looking better. However, they realized that living directly inside the airplane would still be difficult, so they decided to build a comfortable home within it. They gathered wood, prepared strong wooden boards, and started building rooms inside the aircraft. First, they made a small bedroom, then a kitchen, and a resting area. They also added windows to allow sunlight to enter. After several months of hard work, the old Russ